Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Daily Dialogues. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will talk about daily routines and simple conversations.
Yes, you will learn how to talk about your day in English. Very simple, very real.
And don't worry, we will go step by step. You can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us.
All right, let's start learning.
Part 1. Talking about morning routine. Let's begin with a simple question. What do you do in the morning?
Good question. I can answer like this. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice and simple. Let's repeat together. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. Another sentence. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth. You're doing great. Now combine. I wake up at 7 a.m. and brush my teeth. That's real English. Very natural.
Let's add more. I take a shower.
Repeat. I take a shower.
Now full sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m., brush my teeth, and take a shower.
Perfect. You are building longer sentences now. Listen, discuss, listen again. Now listen carefully. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
What did you hear? 3 actions. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower.
Now listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Now you say it.
Great job. You're improving already. Part 2. Breakfast talk.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
I'll start. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Repeat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Here's a real example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That's a very useful sentence. Repeat. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Another one. I drink tea.
Or, I drink coffee.
Let's build a sentence. I eat breakfast and drink tea.
Nice. Simple and clear. Listen, discuss, listen again. Listen. I eat breakfast. My quick breakfast is a banana. I drink tea.
What did you hear? Breakfast, banana, tea. Now listen again. I eat breakfast. My quick breakfast is a banana. I drink tea.
Now you repeat it yourself. Very nice. Keep going.
Part 3. Going to work or school.
Now let's talk about going out. I go to work at 9 a.m.
Or, I go to school at 9 a.m.
Repeat both. I go to work at 9 a.m. I go to school at 9 a.m.
Another useful phrase. I take a bus.
Or, I walk to work.
Repeat. I take a bus. I walk to work.
Let's combine. I go to work at 9 a.m. I take a bus.
Good job. Very natural English. Listen, discuss, listen again. Listen. I go to work at 9 a.m. I take a bus.
What did you hear? Work and bus.
Now listen again. I go to work at 9 a.m. I take a bus.
Now you try.
Excellent. Keep practicing daily. Part 5. Evening routine.
Now evening time. I go home at 6 p.m.
Repeat. I go home at 6 p.m.
I eat dinner.
Repeat. I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
Or, I use my phone.
Let's combine. I go home, eat dinner, and watch TV.
Simple and real. Listen, discuss, listen again. Listen. I go home, I eat dinner. I watch TV.
What did you hear? Home, dinner, TV.
Now listen again. I go home, I eat dinner. I watch TV.
Now you try.
Amazing. Keep practicing daily. Part 6. Asking questions.
Now let's ask questions.
What time do you wake up?
Repeat. What time do you wake up?
Another one. What do you eat for breakfast?
Repeat. What do you eat for breakfast?
And, how do you go to work?
Repeat. How do you go to work?
Now you can ask and answer. That's real conversation.
Wrap up. Let's review what we learned today.
We talked about daily routines.
Morning. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
Work. I go to work. I check emails.
Evening. I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV.
You also learned how to ask questions.
That's a big step. Good job.
Remember, practice every day. Speak out loud.
Yes, even small practice helps a lot.
Before we go, here's a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
We would love to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.
Bye, everyone.